we did not expect this much of a warm welcome. So thank you so much sa mga Bisaya dira, bro. What's up, mga bro?
Na-deserve naman ang warm welcome, diba? And of course, speaking of a warm na support na para kinakaya Jared Caribel, no? Grabe din yung support ng mga fans ninyo, right? And fun fact, meron nga online question galing sa inyong fan, si username LilMissKeptic_. Tanong niya, what is one thing you love? Sige na. Anything ko ha? What is the one thing you love or appreciate most about each other? Nag-coach na po silang dalawa.
Ang hirap daw mamili. Ang dami.
Ang hirap. Mayroon ba? Madali yan. In Filipino daw siya, in Tagalog.
I'd say my favorite trait, kahit anong iba tungo kay Kai, kaya niya gawin. So, that's my favorite.
Maganda. What about you, Kai? Ano nang gusto mo kay Jared?
Siguro for me, such a supportive friend, work partner. Ano na naman yan, guys?
May reaction ka na.
Yes, but he's very supportive, whether it be in work, you know, just everything. It doesn't have to be forced or whatever.
Yeah, and we